I'm Mark. This is my front yard. The Homegrown National Park project is creating the world's first citizen-led urban green corridor in the city of Toronto. From the downspout disconnect, the Homegrown National Park Rangers are going to help me build a rain garden that's capable of infiltrating 25 millimeters of stormwater and achieve Toronto Green Standard Tier 2. In simple terms, it's going to put the water where it belongs, down to the water table. And yet, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Rain gardens are pollinator friendly too. This demo installation will kick off a 10-property pilot for Danforth East Village, East York. We are reconnecting with the outdoors by bringing back the birds, bees, butterflies, and people. Don't you think it's time we got to work?